and Senator Audrey Marks is the person to step in to fill the breach for the JLP. We're talking with her about her motivation to come into politics, and of course we'll ultimately get to what she has to offer the people of Northeast Manchester. But I go back to your profile, Senator Marks, and you have to bear with me on this, because again, there was a time when Jamaicans would say, why would somebody so accomplished, so respected across the political divide, not just dip their toe into the political waters, but immerse herself in it at this time when you automatically being a part of the JLP, there's a large segment of Jamaicans who view and treat everything you do and say with suspicion. What it is that nudged you to this point?
It's simply the desire to make a difference. And this election is clearly very close. And so if I'm convinced that what this government is doing, the path we're on, is the best part for Jamaica at this time, and I'm asked to serve in a capacity to continue, to make best effort to continue on this path, I see it as a duty to respond, and to respond positively. Because, you know, there are many paths that will take you to the same destination and the same goal, really. And my goal is to serve a few years in government to achieve the purpose of transforming our bureaucracy